Let's do some glam makeup. It has been a while since I've done full glam. I actually used to do it all the time on my Instagram. I've been kind of missing it lately, so let's see how rusty I am and if I still have those glam skills. Start off with some primer. This is a mini travel size one. How cute! It's like a little baby. I'm going to start on the eyes while I let that primer sink into my skin. I want to go for something soft but colourful, so I'm putting an eyeshadow base down first so that any colours I put on top really pop. I'm blending it quite far out and inwards because I want to give myself a lot of room to blend in case I make any mistakes. Just blending out the edges with a sponge so they're nice and smooth. Smooth criminal. Starting off with this baby pink shade on my inner corner first. So I'm just tapping it on. And I'm stopping the eyeshadow about halfway on my lid. I'm going to go right next to that pink with some orange. I'm not going to blend it out yet because, plot twist, I'm going to take some yellow on my brush and go right in between that pink and orange to blend the two together until the line starts to fade and it just looks nice and flawless like that. It looks like a pretty sunset. Now that that's nice and blended, I'm going in with the orange and just tapping it on the outer part just to intensify that colour a bit because it kind of faded when I blended. I'm adding a bit of red eyeshadow right next to that orange and softly blending it out. I'm kind of looking like a lollipop right now, but I love it. A little lollipop. So I've got like a burgundy shade eyeshadow that I'm just putting on the outer corner and creating a wing. This is just one of those things that you get in eyeshadow palettes, you know, that cover it. So I've placed it where I want it at an angle and now I'm going in with some burgundy eyeshadow. And I'm blending at an angle as if I was doing like a wing eyeliner. I've added a tiny bit of black eyeshadow to make it darker and I'm just doing the same again, running it along the outer corner. I'm adding that same black and burgundy eyeshadow to my inner corner just to create a little wing. Add a little bit of mascara. Time for the lashes. Add in the lash. Oh, that was easy. Now we need to fix this face, so let's get some foundation on. I don't know why I'm always scared to like pump out the foundation because I feel like it's going to go all over the place. Okay, that's blending in really nice. I thought because I have a bit of a tan from my holiday that most of my foundations wouldn't match me anymore, but it looks fine. Or at least it does to me. Let me know if I'm wrong. Then some concealer, contour, starting off with my nose and down the sides, cheekbones, 5 head, chinny chin chin. I've added my blush. Now let's give everything a quick spray. Blending out the concealer first. My under eyes have never looked so good. Okay, the contour's all blended out. Nice and sculpted. Finish off the nose really quick. Setting everything with powder. While I'm baking, I'm going to do my brows. Just add on the ends. Brows are ready. And the baking is done. So let's dust off this powder so you guys can see the end result. This is the end look, guys. What do we think? It feels good to do a full glam again. I don't know if you can really see the yellow and orange pops in the eyeshadow, but it still looks cute. Comment and let me know what you guys think. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.